This morning, we are days away from marking that 1-year anniversary since the deadly Christmas blizzard that dropped 7 feet of snow in some parts of western New York.
Now the Buffalo History Museum is making sure the blizzard is remembered for years to come. More than 100 photos, videos, audio recordings, and objects were donated by the community to the History Museum. A lot of them can be viewed online at the museum's archival database. They show pictures of people who are stranded at the Walden Avenue Target, the snowbanks, taller than the street signs.